Damion from the agency, and welcome to 11 Kidd Street here in Parkhurst. You know what I really love about this property, aside from the fact that it's a freshly redecorated 4-bed, 2-bath family home, is location. It's close to the Parkhurst State School, it's close to the Parkhurst Early Learning Centre, but best of all, it's close to the shopping centre. Well, there you have it, 11 Kidd Street here in Parkhurst, a great little 4-bed family home. And you know what? It's also super close to the Parkhurst Shopping Centre, where you can find everything under one roof, including the local bottle-o.